Let's have an example. If we have x square, now we know the derivative of x square is 2x. That is to say, the derivative of x square is 2x. That is derivative. Now if we reverse the process, as we know, integration is the reverse process of differentiation. This means the integral of 2 of x is x square. So here it is integral. Now mathematically this can be written as the integral of 2 of x with respect to x, that is dx, is given as x square plus c. Now where does this c comes from? It is very important to be understood because it has very important application in the mathematical economics and also in the mathematics per se. So this is the constant of integration. Now to see where does this come from, let us have another example. If we have x square is one function and other function is x square plus 2 and another function is x square minus 3. Now the derivative of x square, as we know, is 2 of x. Similarly, the derivative of x square here is 2 of x, and the derivative of a constant, as we know, that is 0. So this means the derivative of this function is also 2 of x. Similarly, the derivative here is the derivative of x square is 2x, and the derivative of this minus 3, that is constant, is also 0. So the derivative of all these three functions is 2 of x. So these are the same derivative. We get the same derivative. Now as we have seen here, integration is the reverse process of differentiation. So these are all the integrals of this 2 of x. These are all the integrals of 2 of x. Now when we reverse the operation, that is when we reverse this operation, that is to say, to find the integral, we only know this 2x. We only know this 2x, but there could have been a constant of any value. That is, as here the constant is 2 or here the constant is minus 3. So whenever we integrate 2x, we write this c. Then the c can be either 2 or 3, etc. That is the integral of 2x is x square plus c. Now this c are these constants here. Now in economics, if we have the marginal cost and we have the total cost. Now the derivative of total cost is marginal cost, and that is derivative, and the integral of marginal cost is total cost. Similarly, if I have the marginal revenue and total revenue, that means the derivative of total revenue is marginal revenue, and if we reverse this process, that means the integral of marginal revenue is total revenue. So there are other applications in economics, that is to say, when we have a definite integral, when we have to find the area under a curve, that is another topic, and we will discuss it subsequently when we complete this indefinite integral portion. Thank you.